I love y'all with all my heart. Tonight was a dream come true. It's incredible to me and humbling to me that I can come somewhere that's so far away from home and still feel like I'm at home. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. We had the time of our lives tonight. And tonight's show was special because I got that one-on-one time with you, yes. But also special because everybody up here on this stage is a world-class talent. He's traveled the world and I believe he's one of the best DJs on planet Earth. Give it up for me! Now we can't mention dance without mentioning these guys that have taken the world by storm and have changed the face of dance forever. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Lady Twin!
Superstar with over 250 million records sold, 77 platinum singles, more than 100 billion views on YouTube. The amazing, the incredible, the brilliant, the showstopper, the hardest working man in showbiz. Derulo.
I hope tonight was the beginning of a new age for all of us. I want us to go after everything that we've always dreamed of with everything that we've got. Anything that's on your mind that you want, that you feel like you should have or that your family should have, I want you to go after it with everything that you got. I love you. Bless you. Good night.